Hello, ladies and gentlemen, and today I'm going to be giving you a hands-on tutorial on how to get Bonelab code mods. No BS guide. So let's just get straight to it. So first, gotta have Bonelab, and once you got that, basically we can move on to the next step. The next step is to get LemonLoader. So just search up LemonLoader. Oh God. Unloader. You click on the GitHub. I forget again. Holy crap. Give me a minute. You go to here, LemonLoader installer. Scroll down. But no, you don't scroll down. Click up here. Oh my god. Okay. No, click up here. Click here. Scroll down. Somewhere. Official Lemon Wiki. Okay. So once you get to here, the official Lemon Wiki, you click installation. This will pop up. You click this releases page. Boom. And then you click the first link right up here. Then it'll install. Well, not install. You have to manually install it. So you should see something like this, okay? You want to click on it. It'll say, "Do you want to install this app?" Then you will install it. And you're gonna want, and then when you have this open, you're gonna want to click on every single permission. You're gonna want to press on all of them. So you need Bonelab, okay? But we're not gonna patch it quite yet. We can't patch it correctly. So what you have to do is you have to go to main storage. You have to go to Android. You have to go to OBB, which is literally just the building blocks of the game. You want to scroll down here. You'll see Bonelab. You want to click on it. Move these OBBs. You can move them anywhere, but I just recommend to move them into your downloads. So if we patch the game will not work properly because it will not have the OBBs. So we're just preserving these OBBs, and then after we patch Bonelab, we can move the OBBs back. So press on Bonelab. Okay. Warning: this app may have data which will be deleted during the patching process. You click click OK, and you press patch. Now this will take up to a few minutes long, so just let it do its thing, okay? Just do it. Now I just want to say I'm sorry for not giving a clear tutorial on my last tutorial on how to get this, but this one is hands-on. Okay, so do you want to uninstall this app? Click OK. Do you want to reinstall this app? Yes. Okay. Now this will reinstall the app, but this is a LemonLoader version of the app. Okay. Wait, is this done yet? Okay, just wait until you know this is done, okay? There we go. I could have just done something very terrible there. Now, what you want to do is you want to click on Bonelab, okay? Just let it load up, okay? Do you want to manage storage files? Yes. Then, shoot. What you're going to want to do is you're going to want to exit. you're going to want to go back to CX File Explorer, okay? Now, you remember those OBB's files? You want to move them back into, by the way, you'll see 2 new folders. I'll get to those soon. You want to go back to Android, OBB. You're going to want to go back to Bonelab. You're going to want to paste them in there. So now we have the building blocks back in our, folder. Now, it's not too hard from here. It's just a little blurry of a process, but trust me, this will be worth the while, okay? Okay, now once we got that, okay. Now what you're gonna want to do is you're just gonna open Bonelab. But this will not open for, I'm gonna say, like half an hour properly. What am I saying? I don't know. Okay, I just want to say something. Bonelab will not open immediately. Okay, so you're just gonna want to give it a minute or two. Okay, so in that meantime, we're gonna install our first code mod. So you're gonna want to head to the Bonelab Thunderstore. Okay, you're gonna click on the latest Bonelab. Okay, you're gonna want to manual download it. Okay, so once you got that, goodness, why is my hand tracking activating? Okay, exit out of that. Now you should see something like this. Bonelab, the latest version, should be the latest version. Now what you're gonna want to do is you're gonna want to select this. You're gonna want to go to more, extract, then extract to itself. Then you should see the raw file version. Then you can do all sorts of things. Okay, so now you're gonna want to take these 2 mods. Okay, take them to move them. You're gonna want to go to main storage. You're gonna want to go to LemonLoader. I know it says LemonLoader, but it really just is like the installation for the code mods. Now you should see this. Now go to mods, then paste them in. Now that is well, that's not all. You have to if there's a plugin, you also have to install it into the plugins folder. Now once we got that out of the way, I'm pretty sure we can open Bonelab, but I'm not fully sure if this will allow us to open it immediately. Okay, so Bonelab will not open immediately. Okay, so you're just gonna have to give it like half an hour, and I know, like, you little kids with like small attention spans do not have that type of attention span, but this is the only way this will properly work. So just give it a minute or two and it'll work.
One eternity later.
Okay guys, just to show you that the code mods really do work when you do them properly, is that when you open your menu, go to preferences, you should see Bone menu. Click on it. The more stuff that you download, the more icons you'll see. But right now, there's Thunderstore Mod Assistant, which, yes, it does work, and Bonelab. Thank you guys for watching this video. I really do appreciate it. Please subscribe. Please.